Here's a how-to video on replacing a front turn signal on a 1998 through 2005 Lexus GS300 or GS430. So you have a couple different lights here. Of course, you have your high beams, which are in the middle, your turn signal, which is this orange one, and then you have your regular low beam light right here. The one we're going to be replacing is the turn signal right here in the middle. So if you come on this side, you see it's a pretty tight space. You don't have a whole lot of space to work with, but right in there there's a gray cap. You can't see it from that angle. There's a gray cap right here. There's a gray cap right there that has your turn signal in it, so you need to remove that and replace your light bulb. There's not a whole lot of clearance in here, or not a lot of wiggle room, so I'm going to take this high beam out first. There's my high beam. Set that to the side. That gives me a little bit more room to work with here. So now I can grab the turn signal, half a click, and that bad boy is coming out. There's my old bulb that was no good, that wasn't working. Just pop him out like so. This came from Advanced Auto Parts. Got a 2-back of Sylvania, part number 7440. New light bulb installed. Probably have to feel around with your hand. Make sure you know where to put the bulb at. And it's just the opposite, so click it the opposite direction. It'll snap. That's how you'll know it's in place. Then you'll install your high beam. Get a good snap there, and now you're back in business. So once I get everything hooked up again, I'm gonna make sure that my turn signal, you don't need to record. Turn signal work? Alright. There you have it, folks. One successful light bulb replacement on a 1998 through 2005 Lexus GS300 or GS430. Like, subscribe, comment, and we'll see you in the next simple how-to video.